actually got my workout. Super excited because I got like my wealthsimple account already up and running. The money actually finally went through, so we're gonna be checking out a little bit about that later on. Yeah, this workout's good. It's like a nice morning workout. As you guys can see, it's been like, it's really solid. You know, I miss morning workouts. Honestly, what a solid workout. I feel really good. Like, I'm glad. I had half a mind to go into the workout today, and yeah, I'm kind of really glad that I did. I took like the path of like least resistance, and I went ahead and got and did that. Yeah, I feel good now. It's just nice. It's just nice to like work out and get your body started, get your body warmed up, get your body ready to go. Yeah, I appreciate that. I appreciate, you know, at least like the lockdown's kind of somewhat like lifting off and seeing things come together. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna talk a little bit about my wealthsimple account. I'm super excited to show you guys that. I'm just gonna wait until 9 o'clock, so that way all the trades could go through, and we're gonna talk a little bit about that. What's going on, guys? Okay, so we're back, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about wealthsimple. Before we get started, though, I just wanted to let you guys know that it is, I am not an expert by any means. I am just trading at just kind of reducing and saving all of my pennies, at least throwing my money into this, and then that way you have to be willing to lose whatever you put into it as well, too. So I want to let you guys know that, and then again, I am not an expert. I'm just a random guy on YouTube, and I want to share with you guys this, and whether you follow along, like I said, and then we have to share that, and I have to let you guys know that, only because, like I said, it is what it is. Like, you have to be willing, and it's not gambling, but the thing is, like, you have to realize that there is the potential for you to lose whatever, so be willing to lose whatever you put into it, okay? Don't put your life savings, don't put your school like savings or anything like this on this, okay? My goal this time around is just strictly just to save by reducing spendings, everything like that, even as $5, $10, $50 here and there, putting into that as well too, and then reducing your savings, and then that way you can grow a little small portfolio. Let's just say, for example, if you are you know, trying to like reduce yourself from like smoking and everything like that, that's about $15 a pack in Canada, and then just put that $15 right into the account, and then that way you grow from there. Is whatever change what it is, right? Like I said, like Hi Rye, like that channel, his challenge is really awesome. Like, I really love that concept, and I really wanted to follow along with that, because at least I want to grow, at least to share with you guys all that, and how I would do it as well too. For his goal, it was about like $25,000 to $30,000 in 1 year. I'm not sure I can actually go and hit that target, but the thing is, like, I'm going to grow and I'm going to put in whatever I can put in. Ideally, if we're looking at numbers and everything like that, my goal is probably like maybe $2-3 grand at most, at least, because like I said, like, we're just going to go and practice, going to get things going. I really love Wealthsimple only because like it's so easy to use in Canada. It's like strictly made for Canadians. I really love the fact that number one key component is that it is basically no fees, and so like whenever you open like a trading account from like Bank of Montreal or Toronto Dominion, TD Canada Trust, CIBC, they require you to trade about $10 per trade transaction. Let's just say you buy like one stock of, let's just say, for example, let me see, I'm looking at this right now, and then we are looking, let's say, for example, of Air Canada, for example, right? Air Canada, so that is about $25. So if you only want to buy one share, it'll cost you $10, and it's not worth it. So like I said, like, the number one thing is that you get to save so much in fees and commission. I know there's the threshold of it, but I don't remember what it was, but it is really, really, really good. I think that in itself is enough to go and warrant you to go trade and everything like that. It makes it really easy, but I really love Wealthsimple, and we're going to grow from there. So in the beginning, I do recommend starting it off as a TFSA. TFSA stands for tax-free savings account. Basically, you can trade whatever, anything like that, and any capital gains in that, let's just say you gain some money and everything, you don't have to pay taxes on it, right? I think a lot of people don't realize that they can do that, so I opened mine as a TFSA, and then whatever I trade, any gains or anything, like, I won't have to pay taxes, all housed into that one little space. What I do, like I said, like about it, is like you can take it on your, put it in your phone, and you can trade right away, and you can just, like I said, you look it up, buy, sell, and then no commissions. The only downside is that when you start off in the very beginning and you're transferring the money, there is about a 3 business day wait hold. That's not too terrible for the trade-off of no fees if you're patient, but the only downside, let's just say, like, you see a really like very, very pleasant, like very, very like appealing trade that's about to happen, and the prices are really low, and you want to buy buy it and you're still waiting for the money to transfer right over, still not there. So that's the downside. So yeah, as long as you're shifting money and leaving some liquidity in there, some cash, about 40%. So that's what Ryan was saying. Saying about like keeping about 40% of the cash in there. I didn't do that. I actually transferred $200 into there, and then we're gonna throw it in from there, and we're gonna grow from there. We're gonna see how this is gonna go. I'm gonna show you guys everything all about that. Recently just showed you guys, I want to show you guys what I bought recently, and it's gonna be really cool. I bought Air Canada. Air Canada stocks right now, like, I think it's like they've been backed before by Canada, by the government of Canada. The thing is, like, I really believe in that right now for the time being. Like, there is no flights available. Well, there is, but like there is just Air Canada. Will, by the time when the pandemic is over, people are gonna go and are gonna go and fly again. They're gonna go and want to travel more, and I'm gonna expect a spike. So I'm gonna buy a little bit more shares into that. I think I've only bought 3 shares. Yeah, 3 shares of Air Canada, but I'm gonna pick up a few more. I think because like I can see the potential growth in that, and I don't see the airlines kind of going under, only because it's been backed by the government before. Has a bailout. So yeah, I have a lot of decent faith in that. The other ones that was recommended by like Ryan as well too, from Hi Rye, and it was like Weed MD, but basically it's a weed company out of Ontario. I really like that one because, like I said, like growth in marijuana and everything, like the medicinal part, it's very accepting. It's very the growth on it has been very massive, so I can see a lot of potential growth in that. One exciting thing as well too is like I'm going to put in my link as well too in the description below, so that way if you do sign up, whoever is watching this right now is want to try it, it's going to be awesome, because like if you sign up, I get about $25 as commission, and then you get $10 for free. You can use it to buy stocks, whatever it is, or you can take it, withdraw it back out. Like I said, the process of just kind of putting it all together and setting it up takes a little while, but you have to trade your first $100 to go buy stocks, and then that way you would get your $10. I really do believe in wealthsimple. It's actually very easy to use. It took me like maybe a day to set up. You just apply for it and then everything like that. They verify your information, and then boom, you hook up your bank account. You make sure it's all connected. Once it's connected, you transfer everything through. It takes about 3 business days, so it took about a week to get it all started. But I really like the concept of growing this, and I can't wait to share with you guys the process and the growth and everything from here on out. Yeah, so if you guys have any more questions, give me a shout out in the comments below. Remember, like, share, subscribe. We're gonna go on this journey. I'm gonna grow it. I'm gonna see where I can do this. I'm gonna throw at least and grow at least $2,000-$3,000 here and there. It's pretty ambitious for Hi Rye to go and get it for like 25,000, but like I said, if you can do it, you can do it. I'm gonna see where I go. I just want to save money. I just want to grow something. I want to grow a stock portfolio, and then a lot of people like don't really understand that. And the thing is, like, making it really easy to purchase some of it. And then, again, remember that you are willing to lose. You must be willing to lose all that money as well too. There is a potential chance of losing that money, but the thing is, like I said, like I'm using my spare change. I'm using like $5 here and there, like $200 here and there. I had an extra $200 kind of laying around, so I'm like, you know what, $200, not a big deal. All right, so anyways, so we're gonna see that. I'll see you guys later. Have yourself a great one, guys. Take care.